In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 1080p to 4K. If you've got full HD footage that you want to upscale for a sharper look on modern screens or to meet platform requirements, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in CapCut, step by step, without the fluff. First, open CapCut. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and the process is essentially the same. If possible, use the latest version so you get the smoothest experience and the most stable export. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to start a fresh edit. Next, tap New Project. This creates a clean timeline where your video will live. Think of it like opening a new canvas. You're not changing the content of your clip here. You're just getting your workspace ready for export. Now, import your 1080p video. Choose the clip you want to upscale from your device. If you're not sure your footage is 1080p, that's fine. CapCut can handle it. But starting with a 1920 by 1080 file simply gives the best baseline for a clean 4K upscale. Once it's loaded into the timeline, you can quickly skim to make sure everything looks and sounds right. You don't need to add effects or filters for this process. We're focused on export quality. When you're ready, tap Export. This brings up your output settings, the key place where the upscaling happens. You'll see options that control the final look and size of your file. Under Resolution, select 4K. Also labeled as 2160p. This tells CapCut to scale your 1080p frame up to 3840 by 2160 pixels. Upscaling won't invent new detail, but it will present your video at true 4K dimensions, so it plays crisply on 4K displays and passes 4K checks on platforms that prefer or require it. CapCut handles the scaling math behind the scenes, preserving your aspect ratio automatically. Next, set your FPS to 30 or 60. Choose 30 if your original footage was shot at 24 or 30 frames per second, or if you prefer a more cinematic, standard motion feel and smaller file sizes. Choose 60 if smoothness is your priority, great for gaming, sports, or fast motion, and you're comfortable with larger files and longer export times. Keep in mind that converting 30 to 60 frames adds interpolated frames, which smooths motion but won't add real detail. Once those settings are in place, confirm the export. Rendering 4K can take longer and use more storage than 1080p, so keep your device plugged in and ensure you've got enough space. When the export finishes, your new 4K file is ready to share, upload, or archive with professional-looking resolution.